Hi, today I want to discuss about how to use parabolic SIR to find a very good buying signal for carry forward trade. So here I have a TradingView chart. So what you can do is add parabolic SIR and yeah, so the parabolic SIR comes with the default 0.02 and max value 0.2. So the thing is, according to the parabolic SIR, we know that if a dot comes above this, it's a sell signal, and if a dot comes below, it's a buy signal. So the problem is we can see a number of whipsaw candles and whipsaw signals. So it's like moreover it's like we are into a mess. Even after taking a position, we don't know whether the signal is going to be correct or not. So here I use a simple trick where I change the parameters according to my situations, and I want to filter out some of the fake signals. I can say that I can filter out many fake signals, but it's not 100% foolproof or anything like that. So what I will do is I will change the inputs as 0.7 and the max value is 0.1. So now I got this kind of setting. So this is the overall setting of my daily chart with the parabolic SIR according to my settings. So now I have to find out whether the signal is genuine or it's going to be a fake. So I would explain like how to filter it. Here is a chart. So when a sell signal came here, you can see the dot here, and when the sell signal came here, just after the sell signal came, I would count the buy signal which shows changed, like the changed, and 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth dot. I would make a horizontal line there. So so this is my support level even after the sell signal came. So anything close below this level would be a shorting opportunity, and you can carry forward it. Sometimes what happens is it will trade somewhere here itself, and it's going to break it down and change to buy signal again, and we will be in a mess. So now look at what would be the chance, like how we could do this chart here. So we got a sell signal, sell dot here, so it's like selling opportunity here, selling opportunity here. So but when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, I keep in a horizontal line, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next day candle was closed below this line, and we can see the downward continuation. So here I got a buy signal here, the dot is low, I got a buy signal here, so I will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, so here is a chance where you won't be buying there and carry forward. So here we would avoid a buy unless it is not closing. Unless it is closing above this line, we would not choose to buy it. Now we can see the signal had changed, and the same thing follows. Like here I got a buy signal here, 3, 4. So this is the fourth one. So now I can see the candle was closed here, so I can take a buy position here. And here if you see, yeah, the fourth candle, that nothing closing, so even it's again a fake sell signal, so it's a buy continuation happened. And again the fourth candle here, the sell signal, so again it's faked. And here you can see the closing, and you can see although it's a sideways kind of market, but at least we have some movement over here, like almost 55 to 57, $58, $57.7. So you can use this as it's a very simple strategy where you don't need to add so many indicators and get confused. So it's a very simple and straightforward, whether the momentum is downside or upside. So we are going to take initiating positions for a day position. For example, if I want to long crude now, I would choose, so now this is the level, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the level. It need to break up for my position to be in the buy side. So tomorrow, if new dot forms, my level would be coming here. So it's previous 4 dots would be the criteria, and it would be very good to take a position if you already got a signal and then looking into it. Thank you.